Itching and scratching. Tickle, touch, stretch. It starts with a tickle. You brush your hand against your skin, but the tickle continues. You can't help but scratch. Ah, relief, but it lasts just a moment. Then the feeling returns, even stronger. Before long, you're scratching away again. We've all had that experience. There are dozens of reasons for itching, and there's a good explanation for why scratching seems to relieve an itch more than skin deep. When you think of itching, you usually think of skin. It's true that itching happens mostly on your skin. After all, skin covers your whole body. Skin is the only thing that stands between the inside of your body and the outside world. All sorts of things touch your skin. Skin has nerve cells that react when something touches it. Some of those things are harmless. Some, however, are harmful or even dangerous. An itch is your body's way of warning that these things can hurt you. For example, many people are allergic to poison ivy. This plant has irritating oils that rub off on skin. The oils make skin blister and open blisters can get infected. The oils can also affect other parts of the body, like the nose and lungs. Contact with poison ivy can cause a bad infection to develop. Your body uses itching to keep infections from happening. Itching is a signal from your immune system, your body's internal system that helps protect you from sickness. When you touch poison ivy, your immune system triggers an itch. This informs you that your skin has touched something harmful. In this case, the itch teaches you to stay away from poison ivy. Causes of itching. It's not just your skin that itches. Your eyes can feel itchy too, and so can your nose and throat. Scratching is a reflex action to itching, something you do automatically or without thinking. However, you can't reach down your throat to scratch it, so you cough. You can't scratch inside your nose, so you sneeze. Scratching your eyes can cause damage, so you rub them instead. All those actions have the same goal to remove whatever is causing the itch. Perhaps you ate something spicy, maybe you breathed dust or got smoke in your eyes. A good cough, sneeze, or rub could get rid of the problem. Sometimes thought you can get rid of the cause of your itch easily. Sometimes the cause comes from a germ inside your body. The itch you feel may be part of a sickness caused by the germ. Chickenpox is a sickness caused by a virus. The virus makes the skin break out in very itchy blisters. Today, many children get a vaccine to prevent them from getting chickenpox. Luckily for those who do get sick, children pox is a temporary condition. After a while, the sickness passes. There are other itchy conditions, though, that last much longer. These are known as chronic conditions. Some just affect the skin, others cause different parts of the body to itch. One chronic condition, psoriasis, speeds up the life cycle of skin cells. The cells build up on the surface and form itchy scales. Another condition, eczema, is a rash that is common in children but can occur in people at any age. Chronic conditions have no cure. People who suffer from them can do some things to help though. For instance, they can avoid using skincare products that may cause the condition to flare up. Insect bites, especially mosquito bites, are another common cause of itching. Female mosquitoes feast on blood. Their bites can introduce dangerous germs to your bloodstream. Mosquitoes can spread serious disease such as malaria and dengue fever. Fortunately, their bite causes your body to itch almost immediately. The itch catches your attention and makes you squat the insect away to protect yourself from even more bites. In this case, an itch can be a real lifesaver. Is a real pain, or is it? People once thought that itching was a form of pain. It isn't. It does have a relationship with pain itself. That relationship is why scratching helps relieve itching. Your body has a network of nerves that feel all sorts of sensations. Nerves that sense itching overlap with nerves that feel pain. Nerves can only sense one feeling at a time. Unlike itching, scratching is a form of pain. When you apply pain by scratching, coughing, or rubbing, the painful feeling blocks the itch. For some people, the plant is almost pleasant because it stops the misery of itching. Too much scratching can cause problems. If you scratch until you bleed, you set yourself up for infection. Scratching blisters can leave scars. Constantly rubbing your eyes can hurt them. A coughing fit makes it hard to catch your breath. Oh, what a relief! Scratching temporarily really relieves itching, but it's not a good long term solution. For chronic itching, you need lasting relief. The best solution, of course, is to remove the cause of the itch. Sometimes, though, that is not possible. Lotions and creams can offer some relief, and so can eye drops. These are topical medicines, which means they are applied to the surface of the body. Topical medicines contain substances that soothe itches. Some people have even found relief by taking a bath in oatmeal. For, for severe itching, you may have to take oral medicines. These come in the form of pills, capsules, or liquids that make you swallow. Oral medicines block or loosen your body's response to whatever causes an itch. The urge to scratch goes away. Each scratch learn feeling itchy isn't fun, but think of it as a safety mechanism. Is part of your body's amazing defense system. Itching lets you know what is bad for you and teaches you to avoid it. The next time you feel itchy, ask yourself why before you scratch. Learning what makes you itch and avoiding it is the best way to keep from getting itchy again.